I have people ask me quite often what's in my coffee, my protein coffee. So first off, I have keto collagen from Perfect Keto. I'm using this until it runs out. When it runs out, I am going to just use the regular protein. I use 1/2 of a scoop of keto collagen. Then I use the scoop that this came with was twice the size of the keto collagen scoop. So I measured it. So I used one of the keto collagen scoops, which makes it 1/2 of a scoop of this protein powder. And the protein powder I use is Isopure Zero Carb Protein. This flavor is cookies and cream. I just get whatever's cheapest on the Amazon. So I have those two in there, and I scan them in so they are on Chronometer every day. Then I've already added them, but then I add 2 of these instant coffees. I put 2 of them in each container, and I get them in a little box at Walmart for like $3, I think. So then, after I do that, these 4 are already made up. After I do that, I add 400 mils of almond milk. I get the unsweetened. Sometimes I do vanilla, sometimes I do original. This one happens to be original. Around 400, because then after I get 400 in all of them, I go around and top them, finish them all off. All right. And then, so one of these does 5 of my coffees. And I still have 3 coffees in from last week. So now I top this off with tap water. I get my lid. Make sure it's closed. And then I shake it. And some of it might get stuck here and there. And then it just sits in my refrigerator until I grab it on the morning. I'll put the 3 that are, I'm going to do these, the 3 that are already done, I will move them to the front and put these behind them. So then that way I use the ones up that are the oldest. So it's pretty quick, pretty easy. And yeah, so that's what I do. Then I put the lids on all of them. Give it a shake. Lid. Shake. Now, in the past, I have used my Keurig. I have made a pot of coffee. I have done all kinds of things for my coffee. I bought the store-bought kind that's already made. So you use whatever kind of coffee you prefer. If you don't want the almond milk, then don't add almond milk. If you just want straight coffee in your protein, that's good too. But what I want to tell you is this right here, when this gets hot, do not put this in hot coffee. It clumps up and it is just one big chunk that sits down in your coffee if you put it in really hot coffee. But since I do it in cold, it works out fine, and now it's going to sit in my refrigerator for the next, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 days until I get to this one, or 6 or 7 whenever I get the other ones. Anyway, so these just sit in my refrigerator, and I grab them up in the morning, shake it, take a little bit of drink, and then add some ice. So that is how I make my protein coffee.